Morning, children. Children, our basic needs are air, water, food and shelter. Basic needs means जो ज़रूरतें होती है उनके बिना हम survive नहीं कर नहीं सकते. That is called basic needs. Today we are going to learn one of our basic need, water. All living things need water to live and grow. Children, water is most precious or most important thing in the world. Children, precious means very dear to us. Like our parents, they are very precious to us. They are very dear to us. Likewise, every drop of water is very important, very precious to us. Plants, animals and human beings all need water to live. Now, let's learn uses of water. Every morning, we need water to brush our teeth and to bath. Water is used for drinking and cooking. We also use water for washing clothes, utensils and to clean our house. Plants need water every day for their growth. Animals also need water for drinking. Water is also used for farming and industrial purpose. Farming means what? खेतों में. And industrial purpose means जो बहुत सारे फैक्ट्रीज होते हैं उनके जो प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं उनको बनाने के लिए पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. That is called industrial use or industrial purpose. Water is used by firemen to put out the fire. You might have seen जब भी आग लगती है तो उसको बुझाने के लिए पानी की ज़रूरत होती है. So water is used by firefighter also. Water is a precious natural resource. Natural means प्रकृति की देन है. पानी प्रकृति की देन है. We should not waste water. Children, you must know how to save water. Turn off the tap while brushing the teeth. टैप को बंद रखो जब भी ब्रश करते हो. एंड ब्रश होने के बाद वापस से नल चालू करो एंड यू कैन वॉश योर माउथ. टेक शॉर्टर बाथ. शॉर्टर बाथ मीन्स बहुत टाइम तक नल ऑन नहीं रखना है. एंड ट्राई टू अवॉइड टेक शॉवर. यूज बकेट टू टेक बाथ. टर्न ऑफ द टैप आफ्टर ईच यूज़ करने के बाद टैप को अच्छे से बंद करो. रिपेयर लीकिंग पाइप्स एंड टैप्स बाय प्लम्बर. लीकिंग पाइप्स sometimes in our houses also some taps and pipes are leaking, so we have to repair that on time. We can call plumber. Plumber is a person who repair taps and leaking pipes and taps. Understood, children? Children, you have to learn and revise uses of water. Thank you. Have a nice day.